Not every food item placed on your dining table is beneficial for your kidney health. Some of them could be great for your health, whereas some are not. But for your kidneys, it is better to avoid high phosphorus, potassium, and sodium containing foods as they can severely affect your kidney functions and worsen them over a period of time. Well, your kidneys help detoxify the blood by filtering out the toxins from the body. But do you know that certain foods can silently harm your kidneys even if you are consuming them as a healthy food option? Yes, several foods can worsen your kidney disease if you are struggling with anyone. In today's video, you will get to know what foods you should immediately cut off from your diet if you want your kidneys to remain healthy. In case you are dealing with kidney disease, then this video will help you understand what foods you should keep away from your table. Hello and a very warm good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Amisha. I cordially welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel where you can explore so much information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise and disease treatment with Bharat Homeopathy medicines. No doubt Bharat Homeopathy is now a leading face in treating kidney diseases with natural and holistic care. Alright, so let's come to the main topic. The worst foods for your kidneys you should immediately cut off. The first food you should immediately eliminate from your diet is processed and packaged foods. Pretzels, chips, crackers, pizza, burgers are loaded with excess salt and saturated fats. They are full of sodium, potassium and other additives which put more strain on your kidneys to filter them out. The next is alcohol. Well, drinking alcohol in less quantities is okay if your kidneys are healthy. But if you're struggling with any kidney disease, then it can further worsen your kidney condition. Alcohol intake may put more load on your kidneys to filter blood and remove toxins. It can also interact with medications and cause further complications. Drinking alcohol may increase cholesterol and blood pressure, thus it puts more burden on your kidneys to function. Well, the third food may be your favorite drink that you often drink right after eating. Yes, it is soda, coke or aerated drink. I know you may have some craving for soda drink, but ideally it is not good for your kidneys. These drinks are loaded with high phosphorus and sugar. Excess phosphorus and sugar are both not good for your kidneys. Now, the fourth food on the list is processed meat. This includes bacon, hot dogs, sausages, and deli meats. They are loaded with sodium, preservatives, chemical additives, and unhealthy fats. Too much sodium strains your kidneys to work overtime and can increase blood pressure, leading to kidney damage. Dry fruits are a great choice to maintain the right balance of antioxidants in the body, but they are also high in potassium. Dry fruits like almonds, cashews, dates and raisins are not healthy food choices for kidney patients as just 4 dates contain 668 mg of potassium. Dairy is also not good for a kidney patient. Yes, I know you love dairy and especially you will find your delicious cheese on top if I talk about dairy. But you need to cut it for kidneys good. See, dairy products such as milk, cheese, butter are high in phosphorus. Consuming them regularly can lead to high level of phosphorus in the blood and subsequently worsen your kidneys function. Well, the seventh is avocado. Avocados are often talked for their nutritional qualities like they are rich in vitamins and antioxidant, but they are also high in potassium, which makes them a bad food choice for kidney patients. In fact, one average sized avocado contains 690 mg of potassium. Tomatoes and potatoes are also not good for your kidneys as they are rich in potassium. You will be shocked to know that just one medium-sized baked potato of 156 gram contains 610 mg of potassium, whereas one average-sized single tomato contains 292 mg of potassium. So, consuming them in your diet may affect kidney function and damage kidneys over time. Now, the ninth food item on the list is seafood, especially shellfish. Seafoods like shellfish are high in phosphorus, which may worsen your kidney issue. Consuming shellfish like oysters, clams, and lobsters can put more strain on your kidneys to remove excess phosphorus. That's why you should avoid consuming seafood to maintain your kidney health. The last food may be your favorite food. It is a banana. Bananas are rich in many nutrients from B vitamins to antioxidant, but they are not good for kidney patients as they are high in potassium content. Well, one medium-sized banana contains 422 mg of potassium. I know it is too much. That's why you should avoid consuming it. Alright, so I hope you now understand what foods you should eliminate from your diet. God forbid if you or your loved ones is diagnosed with kidney disease and you are seeking a treatment that goes perfectly with your body and does not cause any side effect, then you are on the right video. Bharat Homeopathy Medicines heal the disease from within, holistically tackle the symptoms, invigorate the symptom and improve overall immunity. Unlike modern medicines, which causes several side effects in the long run, Bharat Homeopathy medicines are absolutely side effect free and act directly on the root cause, bringing relief to the condition in less time. We at Bharat Homeopathy have treated thousands of kidney patients worldwide and offered them a medicine-free and dialysis-free lifestyle. Your kidney problems are now effectively treatable with personalized homeopathic treatment. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health-related videos. Thanks. Have a great day.